Couple vehicles for sale. 66 Grand Prix. I've had it, oh God, almost 20 years. Original motor, original trans, solid rust-free car. Absolutely rust-free. Beautiful interior. Just painted it flat black, it was easier. I'll take a quick shot of the inside here. 66 Grand Prix. Original 389 automatic, 120,000 miles. Just a solid rust-free car. Hard to get good video inside this building, but it gives you an idea what it is. Nice clean car. I want 10,000 out of it. 66 Grand Prix. As for the truck, this is a 72 Chevy long box. It's got a later model 350 in it. Runs good, don't have a lot of information on the motor. Nice clean rust-free truck, lowered 6 inches in the back, 4 inches up front. Doesn't really show that much with these big truck tires. I just never found the right wheels and tires for this truck. It's got nice interior, nothing custom. Gray cloth buckets, 4-speed car. Transmission's brand new, completely rebuilt. Rear end's brand new, completely rebuilt. Front end's basically stock, less the drop. New one-piece drive shaft. Underneath you can't see anything. It's a good, clean, rust-free truck. Trying to find some other pictures here. That's the notching, which obviously you can't see. Driver's side, you can't see nothing. The rust you'll see in this car is what's bubbling around here. Nothing all the way through. These are all solid. The floors are solid. Not a very expensive truck. I value this truck at $9,000.